Judge Caprio faces hero doctor who broke law to save child. His decision stuns everyone. The courtroom in Providence was unusually quiet as Judge Caprio reviewed the next case on his docket. When the defendant stepped forward, the room seemed to shift. Dr. Samuel Carter, a well-known pediatric surgeon, stood with his hands folded, his eyes tired but determined. Judge Caprio read the charge. Dr. Carter had run a red light at high speed, triggering red light camera footage and a citation. "Doctor, this is a serious violation," Caprio began. "The camera shows you driving dangerously. What happened?" Dr. Carter took a breath and explained that he had been called into the hospital for an emergency. A 6-year-old girl was dying. Her heart was failing after a sudden complication during surgery. He was the only specialist available who could save her life. "If I waited even a minute," he said, "she wouldn't be alive today." The courtroom murmured as the story unfolded. Judge Caprio watched him carefully, then asked what happened to the girl. Dr. Carter's voice softened. "She's stable now, alive because we acted fast." Judge Caprio leaned back, his expression thoughtful. "Doctor, the law exists to protect people. But sometimes life forces impossible decisions. You risked everything for a child you didn't even know." He paused, then looked out at the small audience of spectators who had gathered to watch the hearing. "Is the child's family here today?" A young mother suddenly stood up, tears streaming down her face. Beside her was the little girl, a tiny bandage peeking from her hospital gown. She slowly walked toward the bench, clutching a teddy bear. The entire courtroom gasped. The girl looked up at Judge Caprio and whispered, "He saved me." Judge Caprio's voice softened as he addressed Dr. Carter. "Sir, heroes don't wear capes, sometimes they wear white coats." He picked up the citation, looked at it for a final moment, and then tore it in half. "Case dismissed," he declared. The room erupted in applause as the judge continued, "We owe you our gratitude for dedicating your life to saving others." Dr. Carter nodded humbly, his eyes glistening. Judge Caprio smiled kindly and said, "Go back to your patients, doctor. They need you more than we do." As the doctor walked out, the grateful mother embraced him tightly. The little girl waved toward Judge Caprio, and he smiled back warmly, knowing he had not only upheld the law, but also honored compassion and humanity. The decision left everyone stunned, inspired, and reminded that sometimes justice means understanding the heart behind the actions.